The first step is pretty simple. You're going to take your hands and you want to pretend there's like a bouncy ball inside your hand, so you need some space. From this angle, one hand on top of the other, your hands will your fingers will bunch up on one side, and then you're going to bring your thumbs together. Again, pretending you have something inside your hand you're holding, like a bouncy ball or a lime. All right, and then next, once you have that, you want to bring it up to your mouth. You're not playing the flute, okay? So you want your lip actually to kind of hang over where your knuckles are. So maybe the first time, kind of take your lip and bring it up around your knuckles, because you're blowing air into that hole, like this. And then one common mistake, you might have your hands right, and you might have your lip on it right. If you're blowing into it and your hands are down, you can do it like that. I was just teaching someone else in my family, and once they moved their hands back a little bit, the sound came out. So try adjusting the tilt of your hands, and that might be your problem. So you have your hands together, your lip is kind of around where your knuckle is, and just move the tilt until you get it right where you need it, and then you can have fun with it. You can and move some of your fingers to get other sounds, like that's all you got to do. Thanks.
You know I'm mobbing with the DR.